Today we're going to learn how to play 3 in a row on the 100 chart. So if we're playing this game in school, we would have a 100 chart and we'd have something to cover different numbers on the chart. If you're at home, you can print out a 100 chart, or you can just play the game and write down the numbers that you get. So the first thing that you're going to do is draw 3 cards from this number card set and 3 cards from this primary number card set. If you're playing by yourself, those are the directions. If you're playing with a partner, partner 1 can have these cards for the first round. Partner 2 can draw these cards. All right, so then you're going to pick one of these cards. I'll pick the number 17. And then the other partner, or you, gets to pick the next card. I'll pick 8. Now we're going to build both of these numbers. So I'll keep the red with the red so that we don't get too confused, and I'll build the number 17 with red cubes. So I have 1 10 and 7 ones. Just like in the last game, I'm putting my ones nice and neat and stacked next to the 10 so that I can tell where the number falls. So this 10 tower next to this tower of ones helps me to see that there are 7 ones here, right? Because 1, 2, 3 are missing, so I know that that's 7. They also start on the same line. If I drew a line right here, these would line up. If I drew a line right here, these would line up. So nice and neat, because that really helps you later on. Okay, now I need to build the number 8. So no 10s, just 1s. And like we did before, I'm going to stack these on top. So I have 1, 2, 3. I reached the top. So I'll continue down here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I can see that I have 2 full 10 towers, right? Because I made this into a 10 tower. 2 full 10 towers and 5 ones. So I made the number 25. Again, if we were playing in class, we would have a 100 chart, or if you have one at home that you can print out, you can definitely use that and use pieces of paper or coins to cover different numbers. And we'd cover the number 25. Then you would keep playing and keep trying to cover numbers until you got 3 in a row on the 100 chart. So as you keep playing, you'll start to try to cover numbers that are close to this number because you want 3 in a row. But for right now, if you're playing at home, the main idea is to just practice adding numbers together by building them, and by building them this way. So I'm going to erase this here. I might write the number 25 down in a notebook and see how many different numbers I can find. I'll press the button, I'll press the button to start over. Where is it? Down here. Yes. And then I'll go again. So I can take all of these cards, move them to the discard pile, and start again by dealing 3 cards. So 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So the first number I got, remember, was 25. If I'm trying to get 3 in a row, do you see a number that I could create with these cards that would be close to 25? I do. What if I took this 25 and this 1? I don't even have to build that because I know that 25 plus 1 is 26, right? So I got 25, 26, just need 1 more. Oh, but look what I could do here. 21 and 3 more is what? 2 10s, 1 plus 3, 4 1s. There we go. So play around with these cards, play around with the cubes,